Foul by Mr. Achas. First personal foul and first team foul. One throw. No good. How about the second throw of Mr. Basalo? Sub rep, sub. In ang win, out ang out. In by Mr. Tigli, out Mr. John Ray.
Ni-reply na si Kuan? Leo?
Wala man. Itiksan.
Sakit sa bana nila ron.
Connect, 1 point, Mr. Basalo. This game is brought to you by Honda XRM 125. Pare. Pipito on the outside. Pass to Tiglit. Foul by Mr. Magbarrel. First personal foul and third team foul.
Ano? Sige, likod eh.
Mura na kay.
Horseback, maganda ko na daw guys.
Horseback eh. Kung horseback, dilis yan.
Eh, bayot kay.
For him, another rebound by Mr. Magbarrel to Perez. Connect 2 points, Mr. Perez. Achas to Tigli, guarded by 3, intercepted by Mr. Magbarrel. Basalo, tumira ng 3. Bang! 3 points, Mr. Basalo. Nabidyuhan gito, maabot gina kang papa. Oh, intercepted by Mr. Magbarrel. Throw out of bounds. Proud kick ko sa akong team, Albana Basketball. No good. Rebound by Mr. Basalo. Out by Mr. Achas. Natagag sa tayo. Magbarrel, guarded by Mr. Pipito. Magbarrel, pass to Perez. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Tigli. Achas. Rebound by Basalo slowly dribbling the ball. Basalo. Ay, ipasa ni ay no good. Rebound by Mr. Tigli. Tuloy-tuloy. Connect 2 points, Mr. Tigli. Time remaining. 6 minutes and 45 seconds. Serving on the white lane. Hop. Ayaw nang inana kay makadaot na. Pipito, tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Mr. Basalo. Guy, don't give him space on 3. No good. Connect 2 points, Mr. Perez. 3 guys score. Achas, the veterans. Foul by Mr. Basalo. Warning for penalty, team Fuck Boys. No good. How about the second throw? Score 17 against 6 in favor of Fuck Boys. Lead by Mr. Basalo. No good. Rebound by Achas dito daw. Marama kayo. No good. Rebound by Mr. Pipito. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Basalo. No good. Pipito to Tigli. Nice to 1. No good. Tigli. No good.
Pagod.
Out by Mr. Achas. Basalo. To Magbarrel, tumira ng 3.
Init kaayo.
Tigli to Achas. No good. Pagkamalas.
Lose.
Achas. Magbarel. Nara. No good to Tigli. Correct. 2 points, Mr. Tigli. Sabar. Connect, 2 points. Kinsa to? By Perez. Kanina para yung music. Pipito to Tigli. Tigli to Achas. Achas to Tigli. Foul on Mr. Perez. Score 19 against 8 in favor of Team Fuckboys. Penalty. Foul on the second row.
Ay, sino may gusto mo lubot na?
Rebound by Mr. Basalo. Paso ng barrel. Shotting. No good. Rebound by Achas. No good. Perez. Blocks. Pero may foul. Foul by Mr. Tigli. First personal foul and second team foul. No good. Rebound by Mr. Achas. Tuloy-tuloy. No good. Achas again. Achas. Nangita kauban. Pass to Pipito. Tumira ng 3. Bang! No good. Basalo. Whoa! Side step. No good. Rebound by Mr. Pipito. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Mr. Out rep. Out by Mr. Basalo. Tigli. Paso Achas. To Tigli. Foul by Mr. Perez. Penalty rip. Penalty situation na ang Team Fuckboys. Time remaining, 4 minutes and 36 seconds. Basket count. How about the second throw? No good. Rebound by Tigli. Tuloy-tuloy. No good. Basalo. Connect 2 points. Mr. Basalo. No good. Rebound by Mr. Pipito. To Tigli. Oh, naabot mas kamot. Taas kay kulang mo. Connect 2 points. Mr. Basalo. Tigli. No good. Good. Out by Mr. Tigli. No good. Correct. 2 points, Mr. Perez. Score 26 against 9. Tigli. No good. Correct. 2 points, Mr. Perez. Edvard. No good. Perez the sun. Gaya kay line up. Lebron. Dipinduran. Ugsikwan. Umario. Sabrep. Inang win. Out ang out. Engineering. Out Pipito. Tigli. Magbarel. No good. Diba may Achas. No good. Diba may Tigli. Foul. May kasama pang foul. Last hit count. Gigi. May mga chair sa kilid, oh. Chair, mga chair. Mga chair. Chair. Isa mo, gabot ang nag-chair. Isa mo lang nag-chair. May Basalo.
Apay red horse na chair. Cheer.
Basalo.
Wala yung red horse.
Wala
horse.
ba? Correct, 2 points, Mr. Basalo.
Yay!
Tigli.
Ang pagpag komite, makaingon pa na sila nag-iinigyan.
Nag-ilis ng kwan.
Next game, prepare. Team Usok.
Kahit kayo.
Buat Nakuro Brothers.
Kahit kayo.
Lebron James.
Foul by Mr. John Ray. First personal foul and third team foul. Wala pa.
Come on.
Reject tayo.
Init? Hmm?
Basalo, strong move. Nagum. Basalo. Tumira ng 3. Nagum. Rebound by Achas. Achas. Ni Fake. Belrans connect. 2 points. Mr. Achas. Walang kupas.
Mula!
Oh. Nagum. Perez. Foul by Mr. Junray. Warning for penalty, Team Dodge. Time out ulit, kanina mo agi. Dodge, it's Dodge. This game is brought to you by Honda XRM 125.
Ganito, sila kapas.
Nugget, how about the second goal? Koy, asa yung mga kauban ko eh? Wala pa sila? Ano yung? Kari, kamu, tulo naman sa mga kari. Dito na. Yurot ang dagat. Nugget, rebound by Mr. Tigli. Tigli, guarded by 3, intercepted by Perez. Perez, ni Fake. Out. Basalo di ay. Nugget, rebound by Mr. John Ray. Foul by Mr. Perez. Penalty rep. Lagi saya si Ulut. John Ray. Nugget, how about the second goal? Wala.
Pwede ka player. Sipon ba?
Nugget, rebound by Mr. Achas. For free. Nugget, rebound by Basalo. Basalo. Paso Magbarel. To Basalo. Basalo. Basalo guarded by 2. Paso Magbarel. Tirag 3. Nugget, rebound by Achas. Achas. Nugget. Iharag yapon no. Achas.
Ay!
Veterans, no good. Perez, connect 2 points, Mr. Perez. Penalty rep. Pasit kanto. Time remaining. 2 minutes and 31 seconds. Score 34 against 13. Gamay ra, pakpan ang kulay. Nugget, rebound by... Nag-ilog ra. Sila ra, ila ra to. Okay, nasangit. Save by the bell. Magbarrel. Correct! Cheers to yourself. Tigli, to Achas. Achas. Oh, ini fake. Blacks. Pero na-foul.
May tagay si Kundi Mangkot.
Penalty. Time out ref. Kanay mo agi.
Sino ba?
Yan, nandito sa mga tatay, Kundi.
This game is brought to you by Rusty. Never. How about the second row of Mr. Atas? Never. Rebound by Mr. Magbarel. Magbarel. Pass to Pasalo. Tumira ng 3. Never.
Good.
Out of bounds. Time remaining. Last 2 minutes. Pipito. Tumira ng 3. Na short. Rebound by Perez. Perez. Gituyo. Uy. Na yung mga uy.
Tamo ba?
Pipito, no good. Rebound by Basalo. No good. Tigli, no good. May pa si Perez. Connect. 2 points, Mr. Perez. Hangover ba? Hangover? No good.
Hangover.
Time remaining. Last 1 minute and 40 seconds. Score 41 against 13 in favor of Fuck Boys. Connect 3 points, Magbarel. Tigli. Connect 2 points, Mr. Tigli.
Tawagan lang. Dito ba?
Perez. No good. Rebound by Atas. No good. Atas to Pipito. Bang! 3 points, Mr. Pipito. Time remaining, 1 minute and 14 seconds. Magbarel to Perez, tumira ng 3. No good. Atas. Halak ka, pagkamalas. Basket count by Mr. Basalo.
Pilikog na ako,
Last kilo.
Anong orange?
Penalty. Basito. Time remaining, 1 minute and 3 seconds. Sa prep, in ang win, out ang wow.
Ayun pa naman. Anong gahe?
Basket count. Sige mo, naka-uniform. Pipito, tumira ng 3. No good, na short. Basalo, guarded by Pipito. Basalo, connect 2 points, Mr. Basalo. Last 53 seconds. Tiglit, tumira ng 3. Nigawas. Malas yun. Tumira ng 3. No good. Tiglit. Connect 2 points, Mr. Tiglit. Last 33 seconds. Prepare next game. Team Usok versus Team Plato and Kutsara. Basalo. Foul by Mr. Tiglit. This game is brought to you by Rusty Fury. Pipito, to Tiglit, to Pipito, tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Magbarel ng itagkauban. Wala. No good. Rebound by Pipito.
10, 9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ay, napalaka. Namli ka uba.